If I have a random point in the middle of the page, let's say this point here, and let's say that a dog is at this point and he's attached to a leash, and you're walking by. Let's say you're walking in this line here, and let's say that the dog has a leash that is, let's say on this scale, let's say it's 3 centimeters long. So let's try to work out if the dog can get to you or not. So let's put the 0 where the dog is, and use a compass now to open the compass to 3 centimeters. So let's do that. 3 centimeters long, and then if we draw a circle around that, that represents all of the points that the dog can get to. Anywhere inside the circle the dog can get to as well. Now, this circle around the outside represents a series of points, and a point is called a location. So where the dog is, here is a location. A series of points, a series of locations, is called a locus. And so you can see that the circle here represents a locus of where the dog can go. So the dog can run around like this. And the locus of points where you are walking is along this blue straight line. And these two loci, the plural is loci, are the loci in question. So it's clear now that if you walk along the blue line, then the dog can get you. So he's going to be, you're inside the region that the dog can go. But let's say now that the dog is attached to a bar, and the bar, let's say, goes like this, a bird's eye view. You're looking at it from the top down. So the dog can run around from this point. He's attached to a leash, so he can run. Let's say from this end, he can run around anywhere like that, and the dog can run along the blue line, and then when he gets to the end here, he can run like this. And I said, right, what about now? Can the dog get you if you, let's say, you walked like that? Well, we have to draw loci around this line. So we would get our compass, open it to the appropriate amount, whatever it is in the question, and draw sort of 2 arcs like this, one at one end, and draw the same at the other end. But notice something. If I just drew it like this, that's not enough. You need to draw the line so it goes all the way around and then back again on both sides. So it needs to go all the way around and then back again a little bit. Because when you connect these together with a ruler, you need to connect the points which are parallel to the bar in the question. So it'll look a bit like this. And on the other side, it will be from here to here. And it looks a bit like a sausage. Now, notice if I drew it from here and I drew the line across like that, that doesn't represent anything. That line doesn't mean anything, so I'll have to get rid of that. It can't cross the circle at more than one point. It's got to be a tangent. So that first line I drew there wasn't actually quite right because it goes through the circle there, so I should do that one again. Let's do it from about here. That's better. So that represents the area that the dog can run, and then you can see again that the dog is going to get you if you walk along this single line.